Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, one only one, back with another video. Yes sir, today. Oh man, I know I ain't got no natural, I got natural light, but I ain't got my ring light. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy right now. But I just want to give y'all some news, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just sitting here getting back to work, trying to get back on my YouTube stuff. I'm still gonna post my shorts, but I also want to post an actual video. But it's gonna be a shock drop tomorrow on these Air Jordan 8 playoffs, man. Shock drop. That's what I'm hearing. It could be right, it could be wrong. But I'm just letting y'all know. So if I'm wrong, let me know. I don't mind people, you know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments down below. TikTok, you know what I'm saying? All the good stuff. But supposed to be shock drop tomorrow on the playoff 8s. If you don't know what playoff 8s look like, here go a couple pictures of them. These things are super clean. The release date, actual set release date is September 30th. Retail price of $210 for the men's. I think Grace gonna run for like 150, 160. So we're gonna see what's up with it. But these are a clean colorway, the upper suede, you know what I'm saying? Retro 8s really don't come out a lot, especially like an OG colorway. And it's an OG colorway. And I need these joints when they come out for sure. I need a pair. I know it'd be hard for me to get my man size. It'd be crazy because I get everybody else size. When it comes to my size, I don't hit for my size. But I'm gonna try some sneakers apps tomorrow. I'm gonna see, can I get these joints? I don't know what set time it is, but I will keep y'all updated. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. I'm about to get back on my Twitter, so make sure y'all follow me on my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok. So make sure y'all follow that. It just Twitter. I think it's more easier for people because my notifications could pop up. Will be better, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna get back on my Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Back on stuff. Slowly, gradually getting back on my YouTube and Instagram. I'll be posting more on TikTok too. So, but let's get to that 2K, man. This video ain't gonna be super long. You know what I'm saying? Just giving y'all quick updates. So I'm gonna start doing videos like this, even though it's not. It's something, you know what I'm saying? It's something. But I hope everybody had a good day today, you know what I'm saying? Because they're just raw. I'm just gonna be going ahead and just post it, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on all platforms down below. My TikTok, my Twitter, Instagram, all that down below. Like I said, roll to that 2K, man. Let's get to it, man. Y'all hope y'all have a great night. And make sure y'all tune in tomorrow on Sneakers that grab them playoff 8s, man. So hope everybody hit tomorrow. Cause like I said, it's an OG shoe. So hopefully everybody hit. Hopefully I hit. But catch another video, man. Jordan1 is out. Peace.